Hi, welcome back again. In previous video, I explained how to create a new activity that is a new screen in Android Studio. So if you did not watch that video, please watch the video. The link is in description. So now in this video, I will explain how to create a button and when we click on that button, a certain action will be performed. So now go to the design part. I will remove the previous one. So now go to the design part and from this palette you need to drag the button component. So now go to buttons and you'll find it in first. So drag that button and place it here. So after placing the button, uh, go to the text, click on text here, and we need to change some features of this button. So on that button we find some text. I will rename it as screen 2, and I'll also change the background of this text button by typing Android background. So I'll choose the default color primary, click on enter here. So I will change this ID as okay, we'll name it as on click. So what is this ID? This ID is to differentiate the components that we use in Android Studio. I will explain this with a neat example. Let us consider our button as a student. Now we are joining this student in a school. So when he joined in the school, the management will give an ID for the student in order to differentiate from the other students. So suppose think there are two children with the same name. Now we will differentiate them with this IDs. So whenever we want the particular student, we will call them by using the IDs. So now let us go to the main activity, and first we need to declare, need to call button. So type button. So button is a inbuilt class in Android. So we will call it as a button. So this is your choice. You can call it as button or anything you like. So now go to the onCreate method. So now we need to find it by ID. So type button is equal to find view by ID. The ID is onCreate. So onCreate. So now we need to set onClick listener for this. So in order to set onClick listener, we need to type button dot set onClick listener, and we need to enter new space capital O. So we find suggestion that is view dot onClick listener. So now we'll select this and format this. So in the at the end I will tell how to format. So now type, we need intent here. So intent is to communicate between two activities. So name it as refer it as intent, new intent. That is we need to create a new intent in this, and main activity dot this, that is the present activity, and the activity that you need after clicking this, that is second screen dot class. So in order to start this activity, you need to enter start activity, and we need to write our intent, that is intent. You can call it as you can rename it as your choice, that is your completely your choice. So now we will test this app. So before that, I will drag a text view in the second activity and rename it as second screen. So I will change the, so I will make it as large. So I will change the text size up to 30. So now let us run this app, and we will see it in on a real device. So now I will skip this part. So now we can see that our app is ready. I will click on this button. So after clicking on this button, now I click. So it will go. It went to second screen. Whenever I press it back, it came back. So whenever I am pressing on the screen 2, it is coming to screen 2. So this is for this tutorial. So in order to format, select this and hold Control Alt L to format. So this is the bonus tip. Thank you for watching.